I'm going to eat hotdog in Seoul. And it's 6 o'clock and I'm hungry.
아니 이 딱 하나 뭔가 이렇게 사람이 원래 뒤에 막 쓰는데 얘기하고 있는데 조용한 거야.
You invite them to eat with you, right?
Let's sit together, guys.
There is still more.
I guess you can eat this since this is mine.
Okay, thank you. I can eat now? I can eat the other one also. Is it yummy? Mainit na ngayon ng panahon. What time is it, Adel?
6
I think it's 6
o'clock.
It's 6 in the afternoon. Pero parang ano pa, alas 5 pa lang. Mainit na. Tingnan niyo yung mukha ko. Kain lang ang anak ko, guys. Oh my goodness. Sana na ako. Kahit saan si Desing Wang, pagkain ang hinahanap. Mr. Botong. Hungry boy! Mukha. Yung mukha, guys. Nagmamantika na sa ano. Sa init. Grabe ang init. Why? What happened, Adel? What just happened? Did you throw
Oh my
something?
God, blood came in.
You're joking again.
No.
That's not blood.
I still want to.
Can you say bye-bye to them, baby? Oh, you eat also your
Bye-bye.
soup. Oh, your soup is okay now. It's no longer hot.
Really?
Oh, careful.